Good morning everyone! Welcome to our Panagyaman Festival 2024 Grand Civic Parade and Street Dancing Competition. Hello po sa ating 54 viewers. Hello po. Again, welcome to our Panagyaman Festival 2024 Grand Parade and Street Dancing Competition. Fiesta Balawan from Ma'am Rhea Novida. Pa-share po ng ating live. Let's welcome our Grand Marshals and Colors.
Welcome the participants of our Grand Civic Parade, starting with our Grand Marshals. We have San Nicolas Academy Drum and Lyre 4.
We have also our San Nicolas Academy Drum and Lyre Corps. We have also the Philippine National Police.
Kasama na yung lahat batayo of the Bureau of Fire Protection.
Next in line, we have the La Union Provincial Mobile Force Company and Bureau of Fire Protection.
Now we welcome our municipal officials, headed by our Mayor of Sakati and
Let's all welcome our Mayor Aleli Concepcion.
Sangguniang Bayan members tayo.
Together with the Balawan, the municipal officials and employees of LGU Balawan.
We welcome the Grand Line Board of Pantamson Elementary School.
Next in line, we have the Pantarsur Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps. the float for for Mutyanang Balawan 2025 candidates. We have also Barangay Almeida, Barangay officials and SK officials. Next, we have Nagsabaran Sur, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs. 100% naman, kaya ba yan? O hindi?
Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs ng Barangay Nagsabaran Norte.
Nagsabaran Norte, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs. Next in line, we have also Barangay Parawir, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs. Next in line, we have Barangay Parawir Elementary School, Drum and Lyre Corps. Next, we have Barangay San Pablo, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs. Kastamot iti Barangay Betang, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs.
Let us also acknowledge the presence of Barangay Pandar Norte, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHW. Barangay Napaset, also Barangay officials, SK officials, BNS, BHWs, and CVOs.
We also welcome the Drum and Lyre Corps of Paipara Elementary School.
We have also Patpata Elementary School, Drum and Lyre Corps.
From District 4,
officials,
SK officials,
CVOs, and
BNS, BHWs.
let's also welcome Barangay Barakbak Huaste, Barangay officials,
SK officials,
CVOs,
BNS,
and BHWs. Next in line, we have Barangay Pantar Sur, Barangay officials,
SK officials,
CVOs,
BNS,
and BHWs.
from Barangay Talipugo, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs.
Bigyan mo ng pangmalakad na intro yung mamaya, yung quiz.
Let us also welcome the drum and lyre chorus of Masupi Elementary School.
Pero oo,
Let us also acknowledge the float of Mrs. Balawan 2025 District Muses.
next we have Almeida Elementary School, drum and lyre corps.
BHWs. Let us also acknowledge Butubot Weste.
Barangay officials, SK officials, BNS, CVOs, and BHWs. Let's also welcome Barangay Pao, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs. Next, we have Barangay Butubot Norte, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs. Next, we have Barangay Butubot Este, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs.
Let us also acknowledge Sinapangan Sur Elementary School, Drum and Lyre Corps.
Hintay mo't padayawan ti Barangay Paglutagan, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs. Kastamot ti Barangay Butubot Sur, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs.
Ayan, hello sa ating 362 viewers. Happy Fiesta Balawan. Let us also acknowledge from Barangay Ginaburan, Barangay officials, SK officials, CBOs, BNS, and BHWs.
Hintay mo't padayawan iti Barangay Ararampang dagiti Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs. Anong oras magsisimula ang street dancing daw?
Right after po ng ating parade here po sa Balawan, sa Balawan, magsisimula na po ang street dancing.
Yes. Hintay mo't padayawan iti Barangay Bungol dagiti Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs. Together with the Sinapangan Norte Elementary School, Drum and Lyre Corps. Good morning, Jem! Jimmy Lee! Good morning, Jimmy Lee!
Barangay Kalungkuyan, Barangay officials, SK officials, CDOs, BNS, and BHWs.
Next, we have Barangay Patpata, Barangay officials, SK officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs.
Oh, nakikita ko na po ang float ng ating second princess. Una, Jimmy Lane. How's the weather there? Jimmy Lane, shout out.
Shout out sa ating 347 viewers. We have also Barangay Masupe, Barangay Officials, SK Officials, CVOs, BNS, and
Yes po.
BHWs.
Dito din po ang street.
Next in line, we have Barangay Apatot, Barangay Officials, SK Officials, CVOs, BNS, and BHWs.
Ang buyakan, may saka mga basher, Jimmy Lane.
Next in line, we have Barangay Camili. Padayawan tayo dagiti Barangay Officials, SK Officials, CVO, and BNS, and BHWs.
From Core.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Happy Fiesta Kailian from Ma'am Evelyn
Lim.
or Donald.
Let us also acknowledge from Ginaburan Elementary School, Drum and Lyre Corps.
Ayan na po ang ating second princess.
Let's also welcome Her Highness, Second Princess Precious, Ma'am Precious.
Let us also acknowledge from the DepEd administrators and teachers, Balawan Federation of Parents and Teachers Association.
Ang cool pa naman yung
Balawan Central School Drum and Lyre Corps. Padayawan din mo ako dinag sa Baran Sur Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps. padayawan tayo abo iti barangay Kabuan, barangay officials, SK officials, BNS, BHWs, and CDOs. Barangay Pagbandakan. We also have Apatut Elementary School Drum and Lyre Course. Her Majesty Queen. Maria Rebecca the First.
Padayawan tayo mo, dagito'y market vendors tayo dito'y Iliti Balawan. Baka naman picture.
We also have government line agencies, NGOs, TODA, Balawan Market Association. We also have BWD, or the Balawan Water District.
We have also Commission on Election of Balawan, La Union. Next, we have Kalyat Elementary School, Drum and Lyre Corps. Next, we have Pantar Norte Elementary School, Drum and Lyre Corps. Next, we have Barangay Ararampang Elementary School, Drum and Lyre Corps. Ikaw na yan, ma.
Ayan, Taos Pusong, Balawan Gay Society with LGBTQIA plus shine! Ala! Masita! Nakaaw ni Bading!
Senior Citizens Association.
Energy nila!
Yan. Ito po ang Federation of the Senior Citizens Association of the Philippines, Balawan Chapter.
Bulbulala Elementary School, Drum and Lyre Corps.
Next, we have Bulbulala Elementary School, Drum and Lyre Corps.
Huwag kayo mga accredited civil society organizations.
And we also have the accredited CSOs from our different organizations
Palawan Irrigators Association of La Union.
We also have Samahang Ilocano, Pilipinas International or the CIAC. Sige po.
Palawan Mineral Worker Association,
Nang pa.
Caribbean Irrigators Professional Association, Pasabetan Soil Irrigators Association Incorporated, Masubi Apapa.
We also have the Gorgeons.
Confederation of Ilocano Association, or Samahang Ilocano.
GSSI.
Palawan Municipal Executive Council,
Luna Chapter.
Central Police, Talavera Forum, and
So, nakita nila ng fishes. Next, we have Butubot Norte Elementary School, Drum and Lyre Corps.
Ayan, we also have Mitsubishi Motor Plaza Incorporated, La Union. Ayan, we also have Palawan Group of Companies. Ayan, green na green ang Palawan. Kamay tayo po! Meow. Ay, thank you so much. We also have the Blissful Christian Faith Learning Center, Drum and Lyre Corps. Ayan, we also have RC Cola. Wala bang free day? Free day. 33 pesos na ang RC Cola.
Choose Sarap, choose RC Cola.
RC, yeah. RC, yeah. RC. Gini, lemon. Lemon. RC. RC naman dyan. Ala. Ala. Kuya. Nadamot naman.
Ren, pakikomandi ko na sa kano. Pakibabasit mo. Ako na lang, hawakan mo na ko.
Ate, kung may mag-represent, wag mong sasabihin. Bakla, wait. Ayan, shout out po sa ating 485,000 viewers. Ayan, Happy Fiesta Balawan!
Ayan na po. Tayin lang po natin. Diyan pa ba si Jimmy Lynn? Shout out Jimmy Lynn.
Dito ka na, dito. Kasya to, kasya. Kasya.
Yampang na. Ay, atata kamay mo, Jimmy Lynn. Mga buyakan. Replay. Hindi po yan replay po. Live na live po tayo, Sir John Mark.
Wala.
Dito po sa aming tabi si Mr. 360. I-follow po yung page niya.
Water. Okay.
Jimmy Lynn. Gusto mo bang makita si 360, Jimmy Lynn?
Please like and follow.
Mamaya na lang po tayo mag-shout out. Manood po tayong lahat. Hi po. Pa-share po ng live.
In a few minutes, mag-start na po ang ating street dancing competition. Performer number 1.
Kasi kayo. Hindi po kami pwedeng magsabi ng school. Ng name ng school. Sorry po.
We are forbidden to say kung ano po.
We can only say performer number 1.
Bawal nga. Pa-shout out kay 360. Ay, andito po siya sa tabi namin.
Tourist 60 is in the house.
May kabel ka.
Please do visit po ang kanyang official Facebook page, Tourist 60.
Ayan, dumadami na tayo guys. Guys, kaya nyo yan. Umaabot nga tayo ng 1K pag basketball. Sige na, go. Share.
Okay lang daw na sabihin dito sa video. Hindi po pwede nga. Kasi nasa likod po tayo ng
Mga judges.
Yes.
Kami pwedeng magsabi ng name ng schools.
Nakita.
Magkape ka daw po muna sa Rovers bago may free t-shirt. Anong prefer? First pa lang po, yung nakaganyan. Sisimula pa lang po tayo. Demsu. Performer number 1. Shout out naman sa mga Buton family sa Pungto. Ay, andun din po sila sa Pungto ngayon. Nandun sa gilid. Nagbayag na ibus to load ko. Lag-load ka man ma'am. Dapat kailangan mabuyam amin or else. Mabitin ka.
Mag-judge ka rin sa bahay niyo.
Shout out po mga taga-7. Hello mga taga 7-Eleven. In English ko po para sa'yo.
Shout out sa ating 553 viewers. Pa-share po ng ating Facebook Live.
Pa-shout out kay 360. Yes, andito lang po siya. Gusto niyo po siya makita. Ate, ang ganda mo po. Ay, ala, sino siya? Sino dyan?
Sino dito?
Dahon pa lang naman po ang nakikita natin sa... Ma'am, hindi ako pampayat ko mag-uwi. Ala. Wait.
Wait, ilan po ito Jerupak.
Abangan nyo kami. Ha. Ala, ang saya ni Sir David.
Hello po, Ma'am Rosemary.
Pag nag-start po tayo, wala po munang shout out. Nood po tayong lahat.
Focus sa
Mag-judge din po kayo dyan sa mga bahay nyo. Pero, huwag po tayong mambabash, okay? No bashing.
just love, love, love.
Yeah, no bashing. Lahat po tayo may kanya-kanyang bet.
After this street dancing competition, we still have the main dance po sa loob ng Farmers Civic Center. Kaya abangan din po ninyo mamaya ang
Maladaw.
kanilang main dance.
Maladawak.
Ay, shout out kay Engineer Tourist 60.
From NMJB Balawan.
Ayan. Salita ka naman po.
Oh, yan, narinig nyo?
Oh.
Siya yun. Jimmy Lynn, are you there? Anong school yan? Hindi po kami pwedeng magsabi ng school. Name ng school.
Ato almost done lang kanya ko so nagpakas-din.
Kaya na po.
Let's be patient mga kailan. In a few minutes, mag-start na po tayo.
Engineer 360, pasyal ka sa bahay. Daw po.
Saan po location nyo?
Sabi ni Sir George Stephen Neal. Napangiti po siya, baka kilala ka niya.
Go, 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 Balawan. Happy Fiesta.
By Raymart. Well, no bashing. Abuya ka lang, Jimmy Lynn. No bashing, okay?
Here at Panagyaman Festival, Balawan Town.
Jimmy Lynn!
And I would like also to greet everyone a happy fiesta. Ngayon naman magkita po natin yung mga vloggers, mini vloggers, soon to be vloggers. Hindi pa naman
Kuya Kirby, ano na, andito lang po siya sa aming tabi. Hanapin niyo po.
vlogger. Kaya para naman tayo
Ang sikat-sikat naman po ni Mr. 360.
Masikat
Gusto nyo bang marinig ang kanyang boses?
Oo nga. Hintayin nyo lang, magsasalita.
Masikat si Sir Mark.
Hindi.
Pag umabot tayo ng 1K,
Wow, wow.
Oo,
Ipapakita-
magpa-case reveal kami.
papakita
Kay
namin si
Sir
Tourist 60.
Oh, kasama ko si Tourism. Pogi.
Happy Fiesta, beloved town Balawan from Borsio, Carganillo.
Pachin. Yan, go guys. Comment nyo lang kung sino yung bet nyo. Pero wala pong mambabash. No bashing. Mabablock po kayo. Mababan po kayo.
Tagal daw mag-start. Be patient po.
Wait lang po. Naayos lang po nila yung mga props nila.
Happy Fiesta po, Balawanian from Haramilia, Juanita.
Ayan, go Dimso M. Luke. Go. Go you.
Siren rin ang gusto kong marinig besh po na damot from RJ Gorospe.
Gutom na po. Wala na po siyang samot.
Mamaya, hindi mo tayo magkasya dito mo. Hindi tayo kasya dito.
Ayan na po. Ayan na po.
Ayan, shoutout sa ating 300,
Kita nyo yun?
ay
Artista yun.
635 viewers.
Go Kuya Steven at Ate Isha.
Pa-share po ng ating Facebook Live. Again, shoutout sa ating 638 viewers.
Hindi tayo magkasya dito sa ano po.
Happy Fiesta Balawan, watching from Bombo Radio La Union, from Raymond Padilla Nachor.
Go, go,
Shout
go,
out to
go.
David
Ayan,
Julie
naglalabasan po ang mga
Carion from J-Lord.
supporters ng taga-OSHAS. Asan pa yung mga ibang schools? Go Castor. Go SNHS. Ano pa ba? Go, go, go sa lahat. Yan, tama yan Ma'am Alicia.
Yes, tama yan.
Perfect.
Wala pa sila.
Ang anak man dito.
Happy Fiesta Balawan, watching from Tagaytay, from Marilu Estibar. Ayan, dumadami na tayo. 654 viewers.
Ayan mo ba?
Happy Fiesta Balawan, watching from California, from Bernadine Garcia Hortaliza.
Ate, niya ko na ngayon. Ang damagan niya ang pinino at naligay ko. Ang napay mo na Kevin.
Balaygi iti o ili, balaygi ti umili, balaygi ken panagyaman. Agragrag uken, agragrag saktayo Balawan. Good luck sinapan from Leomar de la Cruz. Ayan, antay-antay lang po tayo in a few minutes. Mag-start na po tayo.
Ang kumatawagan, ma'am. Bessie, asan ka na daw? Ay, sige. Ma'am May. Oh my God, ano? Ay, sige. Happy Fiesta Balawan from Jerica Garcia Simanga.
Ayan, shoutout sa ating 670 viewers. Happy Fiesta Balawan from Miss Amigo.
Lang po, wait lang. Ito tayo makakapag go, go, go. S na, ayan. Ang S na po ay hindi na po kasali. Ay, sasayaw pa din po pala sila. Or Hall of Famer na po sila. Pagkalalabas sila, hawakan mo to. Ito, yung mga yan. Kasi may tendency na maihula.
Ano hawak lalabas sila?
Yung mga yan. Yung mga yan. Pag ganun, hawakan mo.
Bakit? Bakit ate?
Kasi, at the time nga madumpar na dati.
Ah, okay. Awan dapat yung gana dalang pumalitan. Gana dan pumandituin. Ay may santungan maala July mo.
Happy Fiesta po from Negros. Thank you po. Sana po makabisita kayo dito. Shout out po sa ating 697 viewers. Gusto nyo yan, guys. Tapan kayo. Sino? Tabi ko kami.
Ayan,
Aglinong ka,
691
Ika.
viewers.
Yan, nanonood pa sa ating live si Miss Emmeline Fontanilla.
Ayan, malapit na tayo mag 1K. Ano na lang?
Yan, go, go, go.
310 na lang. Makikita nyo na C.
Wala pa po, wala pa po.
700 na.
Oh, 300 na lang. Ala, iangat nyo na habang nandito pa siya sa aming tabi. Yes. Happy Fiesta Balawan from DTA. Oh, that's 30 and milk tea. Yan na po. We're about to start. Ate Yai, agkanta ka pa lang please. I know, Ika, nagmatiinit na ni.
Fiesta Balawan. Get ready to witness the much anticipated battle of our talented
We have
performers.
Aglinong ka, anak. Ayan na guys.
Shout out kay Neil Natulog pa rin. Thank you so much for sending 10 stars. Mr. Jeric Ace Mendoza Nilio.
Ay, Jimmy Linok masikat ang kanta. Sige na please.
The passion, talent, and creativity of our high school performers. Now let us begin this thrilling competition. This is the Panagyaman Festival 2024 Street Dancing Competition.
Clap kayo dyan sa mga bahay nyo, guys.
The performances of our street dancers shall be judged based on the following criteria.
Hindi po,
For
Sir
progressive
Charlie.
walking dancing comprised of 10% of the total score, choreography, originality 2 points, mastery, timing, coordination 4 points, costume and props 2 points, and relevance to the product and core values 2 points. For the street dance category, which comprises of 30% of the total score, shall be judged according to the following criteria. Choreography, originality, 10 points. Mastery, timing, coordination, 10 points. Costume
Yan,
and
perfect,
props,
Jem.
5
Mag-clap ka.
points. And relevance to the product and core values, 5 points. The criteria for the exhibition performance will be announced at the Balawan Civic Center in the third morning.
Finally, the public is reminded that shouting or yelling the name of the school immediately before, during, or after a performance is strictly prohibited to avoid influencing the judges in their scoring. We also remind the crowd near our Christmas lights and decors to avoid touching and tampering our decorations. Thank you. Let us now start the street dancing competition. We bring you performer number 1.
Thank you for the
Ate, magbabata.
performance. Performer number 1.
Mababata.
Time consumed 4 minutes and 46
Ang dati lang.
Yun po ang ating performer number 1.
Smooth connection. Shoutout sa ating 886
Sila ba ang
viewers.
tabako? Tabako ba sila, guys? Ano sa tingin nyo ang... Tabako ba yung kanila? Guys, sa tingin...
Let's also welcome performer number 2. Ayan sa mga nagtatanong po kung anong school po yung mga nagpe-perform. Pasensya na po, hindi po namin masabi. Yung mga nanonood po dito sa live, i-comment nyo na lang po kung alam nyo po.
Oo, pero hindi po namin babasahin.
Yes. Again, let's also welcome performer number 2.
Dito 61 na tayo. Samahan nyo pa din po kami mamaya sa loob, ha? Mas maganda na yung live doon.
You can support our Facebook Live by sharing it in public, mga ka-aliens.
Para po dumami tayo nila. Opo, tabako po. So tabako po ang concept ng number 1, guys. Sabay-sabay nating alamin kung anong concept ng number 2.
Every performer.
Yeah.
Let us put our hands together for performer number 2.
Wait lang daw. Wait lang daw. Wait lang. Oo. Yung nasa... Sir, ano yung bulaklak sa Capitol? Bougainvillea o tulip?
Sabi ni Dub, ano daw?
Bougainvillea.
Bougainvillea, nasabi nilang tulit.
Bougainvillea yung concept nila.
Ah,
Maraming nagsasabi parang tulips. Wala namang bougainvillea na tumutuwa ng
opo.
Again, shoutout sa ating 867 viewers. Ay, 874 na tayo.
Agad-agad.
Pwede mo manan na yun.
anak ni Rice, Rabong.
Po? Hindi po ka.
Di ba?
Ano po sa tingin nyo ang product nila? Yung concept. Sabi po ng 360 ka po.
Ala, 941 na tayo.
Ganda ng damit nila.
Opo. Very Ilocano.
Nakakaganda.
Ako po ay Philip. Kulay po naman.
Makapalawan yan siya.
Perfect. Wala mo.
Tindas ka. No, sino ma'am Jaglalay po ni Emmeline Fontanilla po. Ala, 60 na lang. Ipi-face reveal na namin si Sir 360.
Handa na ba si Jury 60?
Ay, kawayan daw po, sir. Tama naman si sir, oo.
Rabong mo na bago maging kawan. Pag hindi kinugtaran ito.
Kasama po natin sa live si sir.
Si Sir Jury 60.
Komentary tayo.
Nalilinis to. True Ashen. Laban mo ate.
Let's also welcome performer number 3.
Okay po, di na po kami magzo-zoom.
Diba ganun naman pag ano?
Ay, wood crafts. Tama.
Let us put our hands together for performer number 3.
Wala, 900 ano na tayo.
Yan na po, naka-zoom out na po tayo. Yan na po.
Medyo malayo po.
Hindi magiging rabong. Ito 360 po.
Product nila is goldfish.
Ano?
Goldfish daw.
Goldfish daw.
Sabi ni ano,
360. Kinakamuti tayo ni Sir 360 dito, guys.
Pero goldfish.
na may accent.
Oo nga kasi naman.
Sinimo pala yan.
Nalinis ko talaga.
Oh,
Nalinis ko talaga
963
ang balong.
viewers. 965.
Ilang group?
7.
Fishing concept. Fishing. Fishing daw po, sir.
Fishing concept.
Ala, sir, andito yung inaanak mo, oh. Pa-shout out ninong 360 daw. Hala.
Nananak na pala.
From Ella.
Hanapin mo, hindi ka ng pamasko.
Let's also welcome performer number 3.
Diba? Or,
Ikaw na
hindi
po.
mo makan. Hindi mo makan. Iba po, ang harap ko na.
Ay, 4 pala. 4 na. Ayan.
Product nila is matcha.
Irinig niyo.
Performer number 4 pa pala.
Kaya napabahala kung anong product nila.
Alam, yung masita.
Send stars.
Yes, you can support our Facebook Live by sending stars. Or you can share our Facebook Live in public.
Ganyan niyo po ba gustong kalayo?
We have ano na, star sender.
Gcash pwede din.
Malayo masyado yan.
Gusto nila malayo para makita nila yung buo.
We bring you performer number 4.
Ganyan? Gusto niyo po ba yan?
Yan, yung hindi nyo po nakikita. I-zoom po natin konti guys, ha? Yan.
Manok. Kain ng manok din, no?
Layo ma'am kano. Di ba? Malayo po. Layo po masyado. Sabi ko na eh. Ayan, may nagsasabi pa, zoom.
Hindi po makita. Hala, hindi po namin maintindihan kung anong gusto nyo.
product nila is
Opo, tapos na po. Kaso nagla-dance pa sila sa likod.
same na naman sila. Farmer number.
So ano po ang Sir 360? Anong kanilang concept?
Kanina?
Anong concept
Shiny
nila?
na ano. Ewan.
Nabel.
Pakbet.
Dami nilang pinakita eh.
Naririnig niyo po ba si Tourist 60?
Yung product nila is palengke.
Palengke daw.
Dami eh.
Galing-galing. Yes. Oy, niligtas ka ng nanay mo.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi po kami pwedeng magbanggit ng pangalan ng school.
Nasa criteria for judging. Charot.
Nasa guidelines po.
Nasa guidelines po yun.
Kung kilala nyo na po, i-comment nyo pero hindi po namin pwedeng basahin.
Next performer po natin, Baknotan po.
FEU daw.
FEU. Go FEU!
Kakatapos lang ng UE. FEU na. Charot.
Lalaing mo.
Let's also welcome performer number 5.
Okay. FEU na yan. Next, TLNU. Yo, go.
Tama raw.
Tama raw.
FEU tama raw.
Kulay green kasi.
Tsaka yellow.
Makikita yung nardagol ka sabon.
Pagdagulan moments. Hindi ko,
Anong product nila?
ano nga.
Product po nila is ano.
Feeling ko yung product nila ano.
Walis
Palay.
ting-ting. Ay, hindi magiging walis ting-ting.
Let us put our hands together for performer number 5.
Saan pa daw? And look, tama. And look. product nila.
Palitaw.
Palit.
Time consumed 4 minutes and 43 seconds.
Love nilang props. Best in props. Kalamate pa sila. Wala ko naman. At naway check. Naway check. Parang yung kanaway.
May malipis eh. Ay, masakit na lang si...
May props.
Sino kaya yun? Hindi ko alam. Ano ba product nila? Are you okay there? Gusto ako ganito na lang. Kakati product ko. Tela. Kahit siguro. Tinatan ni kita yan.
Next to perform is performer number 6.
Best in costume. In costume and makeup. Number 2.
Daming tao na sa loob. For sure. No, natin.
Just in choreography. Number 3.
Number 3.
Best in props. Number 5. Yan lang yung paser ko.
Again, let's welcome performer number 6.
Ano kaya benta ni Goya? Siguro Cuchillo, ganun.
DLSU to, DLSU. Ay, sure guys.
We now bring you performer number 6.
Sikat na lang.
And we're down to our last performer. Performer number 7.
Deputy former, deputy champion. Nag-perform na lang tayo. Ang manatang Ruel, medyo nagtingin labas na bang costume.
Ganda.
Mayat ka kasi ay nakipin na si Color. Yes, mo edit. Ada duwas. Panutan, mais, ada nakasaysayang may tantay. Ada ng purpose na yung mga progressive. Ada bilang purpose na yung mga progressive.
Up next is performer number 7. Although they are no longer a part of the competition this year, let us all be impressed by the performance of the 3-time champions and now,
Three-time champion. Kaya
Pwede po namin sabihin yung pangalan niya.
3-time champion po sila.
San Nicolas Academy.
Hall of Fame po sila. Hindi na po sila kasali sa competition, but still magpe-perform pa rin po sila. Once again, performer number 7.
Linis talaga. Diyan na po nagtatapos. Samahan niyo po ulit kami mamaya sa loob. Bye po!